How to fix creator account can't be private on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can turn our creative account into a private account. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So first thing first, open up your Instagram. After that, simply tap on your profile. So here you can see this professional dashboard as our account is professional and we are a creator account. So what you need to do is simply tap on this menu bar. After that, simply go down and you can see this creator tools and controls. Simply tap on that option. And when you tap on it, when you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to see switch account type. Simply tap on it and tap to switch to personal account. After that, confirm it and wait for the changes to be made. After that, you just need to get back in, and then you can see that your professional account has been changed into personal account. So to change it into a private account, simply tap on the menu bar and here go under account privacy. You can see simply turn on this option and just like that switch to private and your account has been changed into a private account. So therefore, by following this method, you can change your creator account into a private account. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.